it's Indira from Creations. I am in a new space, so please bear with me. I'm trying a different setup here. So my table is smaller, the space is larger, but I wanted to check out this table to see if I can use it. I have a 12 by 24 and I wanted to do something with some bright colors. I do want a little black in there. And I think I am going to maybe do like a straight pour, just straight out, and I'm gonna move it along as I go, I think, but I'll figure that out. I just have this vision that I'm not sure how I'm getting there yet. So I'm gonna layer the cup along the side, and I am gonna use some black because I think that the black will break up some of these other colors. So we have yellow, a permanent red, a rose color, a green, an orange, and a blue. And the exact names of the colors will be in the description. So I started with the yellow, red, the pink. I think in between here, I'm gonna put a little black again. And then we'll go with this green. This is like a cool minty green color. That's not the name of it, but that's what I'm calling it. Our orange. Oh, yikers. I'll be more careful. Our blue. We'll start the rotation again. Our yellow. Red. Oh, I meant to put black after the blue, but I'll remember this time when I do it. The black in between. So far we have 2 layers. I think I will try to do 3 and then I'll start another cup, because by this canvas being as big as it is, I just want to make sure we have enough paint. So when I do this last layer, I'm going to just not use as much paint. So yellow, red, the pink, a little black. I'm not sure if I said I hope everyone is doing well. And so this is what our layered cup looks like. I'm going to put that down and start the next one. What I'm going to do, so you don't have to be bored with me doing this, is I'm going to layer the next cup off the camera, and then I'll be right back to pour. Okay, so I'm back. So I layered both of the cups. So I have this cup that's layered and this. So as I was layering the second cup, I forgot my black. Oh. Okay, so let's see. I said I was going to try to do a straight pour. So, okay, so I'll start straight. And then what I'm going to do is move it along. That's what I meant. I really like the way these colors are coming out. Now what I'm going to have to be careful for is the fact that the next cup has black, and I forgot. I think what I'll do, okay. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down straight again to get some of the black out. Okay, since we have black on that side, we want some of the paint that has black on this side as well. Alrighty, give me one sec, I gotta get the torch. By me moving, I forgot the torch. The torch is on. Like I said, I moved to a different room, and so the light in here is brighter, but I'll have to remember that next time because I do have the shades open. And so I closed two, and I closed them so that you could see better. So I'm not sure if you can see, but we have a couple of cells that developed, not many. I'm going to move this out of the way. Move these two cups. Let's see. While I was torching, I could have tried to get some more out of these cups. Alright, not much. It's not much. So I think I'm going to just tilt side to side to begin with and see where we go from there. So as I started side to side, one side started going off, but that's okay. I really, when I started tilting side to side, wanted to, I wanted to start slow, and I wanted to start slow to make sure I had enough paint to go side to side. I mean, making sure that I would have enough paint if to run off. So I really like these colors. We have one more edge. Okay. So there's a piece that I don't quite, well, the piece with the black, I just would like it to go off a little more. Okay. So I'm really liking the composition. What I'm going to do is I'm going to tidy up the sides. I'm going to see if I want to tilt it a little more. But I think it's okay, and I'll come back for a close-up. Hello, we're here for the close-up. So we're starting in that left corner as we usually do. We have some cells ran off, which is totally fine. I really like the way that these colors work together. I really like that pink. These actually are all new colors from a new line. Some of them are creative inspirations and some of them are from SOHO, with the exception of the yellow. I wanted that bright yellow and I found that bright yellow in Apple Barrel. So I think I might have had another yellow, but that was the one that I saw when I was starting to mix up the paints. Because I think Soho had a nice bright yellow also. So again, I just wanted to do a piece that had some bright colors in it. And again, the piece really came out nice. So I am going to use these colors again together in something. We'll see. So let me know what you think. Please leave comments, suggestions. Please like and share. Subscribe if you haven't. For those who have, I really appreciate your support. And until we meet again, cheers to painting.